When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. In boat you hear the O and not the A. In meat you hear the E, the A sits quietly. The second vowel you see, but you don't say.
But just the two of us together, in train and pail and rain. The A speaks up, the I does not. But let me explain. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking.
In brain you hear the A, but not the I. In soap the O is clear, the A you'll never hear. In say you say the A, but not the Y.
But
Isn't it neat?
but
It can't be beat.
but
It's such a dream. Don't mean to boast, but here's a toast. We're quite a team.
When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. I'm sorry, number two, it's such a shame. Although it gives you pain, the rule is very plain. When two vowels walk, the first one says its name.
but
Yes, when two vowels walk, the first one says its name.